So this is the review for Air Jordan 1. I say Hulkbusters, but it's not, of course. But the colorway is the Hulk one. So yeah, I'm a huge fan of the Hulk. So yeah, so here we go. So the normal Jumpman branding on the box and number 23 on the right. Yeah, it takes some time, I don't know. Yep, Air Jordan 1 mid, Elwood, code purple and white. It's in size UK 10. I am 8.5, so 1.5 size above. But you'll see why I have this size in larger than my own. So here we go. So same tissue packaging is the branding. Yeah, of course I already opened the box prior. So I tried to lace and set them so you can see the colorway. Yeah, why I call them the Hulk Busters. They should have named it better for marketing purpose, but at least they're releasing mids now. And here's a look. It's the wide midsole and the heel is purple with green shades, and the lower sole is the Hulk's shorts color or purple one. It's typical Air Jordan 1 mid, so nothing new there, but the colorway is really nice and sophisticated. Yeah, I'm just saying sophisticated, but it's not. But it's very vibrant. So the green is pine green. I really like that color, but those ones like Air Jordan 1 mids pine, they are going for around 300 350 pounds. So I'm not gonna invest that much money into that. These ones I got for retail, like I waited a lot. So here we go with the Onfeet review without any further ado. So here is the Onfeet review of the Air Jordan 1 mids. So I've kept the laces loose. So you can see that even though the size is 1.5 above than mine, but still the fitting and the comfort, it all depends on your preference how you want to wear them or carry them. So I decided to go higher size, and these are ideal. You can wear them with shorts or anything else. So this is another thing which I'm doing, that one is laced down and the other one I'm gonna tie it. Like, I know I put few holes above, but yeah, let's give it a shot how it looks when I just tie them or I just let them loose. So comment down below, how do you prefer to wear your Air Jordan 1s, mids or highs? I like mids because the heel is slightly tilted, like it's at an angle, so your pants, if you're wearing any pants, trousers, it falls or fits perfectly. The high ones I like, they're more they're more like hyped up about, and the OG ones, but I don't feel comfortable wearing them. The mids is like absolute gem for me. So this is the Air Jordan 1 mid Hulk colorway. Do comment down below and tell me, how do you prefer to wear them? You like to lace them up or loose them down? Do drop it a like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for dropping by.